Welcome to the Plutus IS. Today we'll cover one of the very important topic of our geology paper, optional one, that is your torsion and detorsion. है ना? There were so many questions which comes repeatedly. So it is one of that question which comes repeatedly, right? So the question was asked that what do you understand about the torsion and detorsion in molluscus? Elucidate, right? So suppose that this question will ask, है ना? If today we'll talk about the concept only. But if this question, but you guys know I don't talk about only concepts. So we also discuss what should you write in the introduction, in the body part, and in the conclusion, right? So if the question is simple, and it also depends that how many markers is. Suppose that this was a 15 marker, है ना? So in the 15 marker question, you have to write at least 4 to 5, है ना? If you have a good content, then be specific. In that introduction part, you can write 4 to 5 line ka introduction, है ना? You can simply tell about the molluscas. Then you can also tell this that torsion process is specifically there are so many classes in the mollusca which have been classified on the basis of their foot, visceral mass and all. So then you can write it down that torsion and detorsion process is a specific feature of class gastropoda, right? And the animals also you can mention it, है ना? Then start writing about the torsion process. Don't start writing. Suppose that as you have completed the introduction, don't make the heading. I'm just trying to show that okay, this is your suppose that introduction part, है ना? And the body part you just start writing about the torsion. Don't do that. If the question about only torsion in the 10 marker, है ना, even then do not start writing directly about the torsion, है ना? So what you have to do, so don't make the heading torsion, but make the heading body or body look before torsion. Okay, you can write it simple torsion, or you can simply define in the, you can also define in the introduction part also torsion if you don't remember the good content. But if the 10 marker mein, so you will do the define only the introduction part, because there's so much body content. Look, there is not any thumb rule that where you write what should you write, hai na? This depends also on your question marks. Suppose that the question mark is 10 markers, you have a limited number of words, है ना? If the question is 15 marker, you have more word limit, right? So that is why. So torsion के पहले आप लिखोगे torsion before torsion body, है ना? या फिर normal body structure. Then you can also if you have the thing, then you can also write torsion and collision. Sorry, twisting. Torsion and twisting. Most of the time, people think both are the same process, but no, both are not the same process. Torsion occurs 180 degree, है ना? And that is your anti-clockwise. That is your anti-clockwise. While the twisting is also can occur at the 180 degree or the 90 degree. Simple, suppose that you have a one wire and you have to twist it. It does not matter. Twisting is general phenomenon. Okay, so twisting is anti-clockwise. It is both clockwise and anti-clockwise. It is both. है ना? That is then the clockwise known as a dextral and that anti-clockwise known as a sinistral. That is also you can simply define it. Then write about the torsion का जो process है. First you write about the torsion का process. Then you write the up to, suppose that this is the 15 marker. Then आपकी second heading क्या होगी? Torsion का process of torsion, या torsion में होता क्या है? Torsion का process or the mechanism, better write you can say, or you can write the torsion mechanism. So the second, the body should be differentiated. It should not be like कि आपको सिर्फ एक ही process पता और आपने ठीक है, you are writing in the point form, that is good, that you should. But the body should not be in a like only single thing कि आपने torsion process start कर दिया, फिर सिर्फ आपने torsion लिखना start कर दिया, ठीक है? So you can write torsion mechanism. So here you can write what is the torsion, what is the process happening in the torsion, है ना? Then the third point should be, we are just talking about the introduction, the structure of that body. Because recently I have heard that कि आप लोगों को because when I'm signing the copy, when I'm seeing the copy of the mains student, yes, they have the knowledge, so they are writing in that body content, but there is not proper structure in the body. So that's why I'm mentioning this topic. Next, you can write the changes second third body में after torsion, or changes in the body after torsion, whatever you want to say. If you have written enough content in that three process, then what you can do, you can simply conclude with the significance. अगर आपने इसमें if you have not written well or enough content, then you can write also significance in the body part, but you have written enough content, you can just simply sum up with the significance. Okay, so now we talk about the torsion process, है ना. Now we understood the concept. Look, this is your normal Manaska gastropoda. ठीक है, so what we can see here, this is a normal full developed, and yes, torsion process occurs where? Torsion process, first of all, it is your, अब हम यहाँ पे we will write the point. जो torsion process है, it occurs in your during the larval development, or better say the larval develop, जो larva होता है, when it convert or it metamorphose or it develop into the adult body, है ना. larva से जो आपकी adult body होती है, यहाँ पे आपका क्या होता है, torsion process होता है. This is your torsion process. ये तो आपका हो गया stage. Then we talk about torsion process occurs where. Okay, so suppose that this is your organism, this is your well developed organism, this is the adult body, है ना. So we firstly we will see simply we will see how the organism is. So this is its mouth. Torsion is actually about the coiling or the 180-degree clockwise rotation, anti-clockwise rotation of your alimentary canal. This is the main why we are seeing the alimentary canal, because whenever we see the even the simplest organ, है ना, अभी हम लोग डायग्राम में देखेंगे, then we'll see even we see the simplest organism, the main thing is about the alimentary canal. Why the alimentary canal? Because any organism have an alimentary canal. It has mainly, we are not talking about the lower invertebrates, right? We have already differentiated the plant, the body plan, है ना. बॉडी प्लान में आपका ट्यूब जो आपकी बॉडी प्लान होती है, जिसमें देयर आर टू प्रॉपर ओपनिंग, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट. सो यस, मोलस्कस कम्स इन योर ट्यूब विद इन ट्यूब बॉडी प्लान, which is your deuterostome, right, which have two separate opening. So suppose that one opening is your mouth, one opening of the alimentary canal is mouth, and second opening is your, or the other opening of that, this is anus. That's why we take that reference of specifically alimentary canal, है ना. So what we can see here, so this is your mouth portion, and this is your anus portion. This is your alimentary canal, right? This is your mouth, then this is your oesophagus, right? Then this is your stomach region, then this is coiled intestine form, and this is finally open, this is finally leads to the rectum, and that finally open to the anus outside of the body. Okay, so we'll have the reference of that specifically alimentary canal का in the torsion process. Yes, there's one more thing, that is about gills, और इसको हम लोग इसमें specifically क्या बोलते हैं, tinnidium. Tinnidium also known as the true gills, or better say osphidium, right? So we see mouth or anus जो है, suppose that अगर if we say that this is the anterior end of the body, understand very carefully, if this is the anterior end and this is your posterior end, right? This is your posterior end. So we can see the opening of the mouth and opening of the anus is at the same side of the body, that is your anterior side, huh? So that process do not occur in the larval position. In the larval position, what happens? Suppose that if the body, if we can see from here also, look, I just made this diagram to make this simplify, है ना. So in the larval position, what we see the mouth is at anterior end, and the this anus is your posterior end. Don't consider it as like a vertical form, consider it like a horizontal form. Like आप इसको ना ऐसे समझोगे, this is your structure, this is your mouth, and this is your anus. ठीक है, this is your mouth and this is your anus. So look, we are seeing here that there are mainly two things, that first is mouth, the second is anus, and this is also the mental cavity, and this we just have talked about, this is your gills, or better say the tinnidium, right? Whether the gills or the tinnidium, ठीक है. So what happening in the torsion process, except your head region, है ना, this is, you can just write it down, except your head region and foot region, the whole mental cavity with the visceral pallium, it just goes rotate in 180-degree angle, right? So we'll just see here the concept, then we'll also write it down, है ना. So यहाँ पे we can see the alimentary canal is your straight, है ना. But what we seeing here, from here to here, we are seeing in the torsion process, this alimentary canal which has a both opposite, and it just rotate, and mouth and anus comes it this position, ठीक है. So जो आपका बिल्कुल straight से और आपका एक position आ रहा है, so it occurs into your two position, two systems, है ना, two stages actually, the first 90-degree and the second 90-degree. This first 90-degree, when it comes like this, then this is your first, यहाँ से आपका ये lead होता है, और यहाँ से फिर आपका क्या lead होता है, ये. the first 90 degree and the second 90 degree. ठीक है. So in the second structure we can see ये जो आपकी straight elementary canal थी, just fold it at the 90 degree of angle from its original position. Then what we see, देखो अभी यहाँ पे क्या होगा, if this is anterior and this is posterior, so this the opening we are seeing just the opening of the mouth and anus, so we are seeing that it comes into a lateral position. Then again ये जो आपका second ये आपका first 90 degree है. Wait a minute, this is your okay, this is your first 90 degree. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपका फर्स्ट 90 डिग्री रोटेशन है. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, दिस इज योर सेकेंड 90 डिग्री रोटेशन. नाउ वी आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट वेरी क्लियरली, है ना. सो व्हेन द सेकेंड 90 डिग्री एंड टोटल इट इज योर 180 डिग्री का जो रोटेशन है, यहाँ पे देखो नाउ द ओपनिंग ऑफ द माउथ एंड द एनस कम्स एट द सेम एंड. This is this normal process of the torsion, है ना. So we can see from here, this is your mouth, this is the anus. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, first 90 degree. What I have, that's why I have mentioned so many diagrams here. क्योंकि आप लोगों को ये समझ आ जाए कि whether you are taking in a vertical thing or in a horizontal thing, there is the same process occurring. ठीक है, समझ आ गया. तो यहाँ पे देखो क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे first 90 degree, then it is converting into your second 90 degree. So from this position to your this position, it is complete 180 degree rotation. Got it? This is your normal torsion process. Okay, so we can see here also. If we want to even make the diagram, ठीक है, if we want to make the diagram, how would we make this diagram? Look, अगर जो आपके normal books में जो diagram होता है, उसको if we want to just draw that or to make the understand, ठीक है. So starting में क्या होता है, आपका जो larval phase होता है, it has simple like that. ठीक है, ये आपका क्या हो गया, shell हो गया. Understand it very carefully. ये आपकी क्या हो गई, shell हो गई. ये आपके elementary canal हो गए. If you are not even understanding, ये आपके opposite end पे just make the understand कि ये आपका different end है और ये आपका different end है. यहाँ पे there is your velum. This is your elementary canal. This is your elementary canal. And this is your velum. What is the significance of velum? The space or the area of the body portion below the velum, it's convert into your foot. And what we have just talk about it, that in your torsion process, what portion do not go under in the twisting, that except your head portion and that your foot portion, the whole mental cavity. Why the mental cavity? Because all of that important organs occurs in mental cavity. So earlier your shell is your saucer shape. You can also write it down in your points. This earlier shell is your saucer shaped, right? Is your saucer shaped. ठीक है, फिर क्या हो रहा है, this elementary canal as the larva become grow, the elementary canal also become grow. So what happens, ये shell जो है वो ऐसे increase होती है और ये जो आपकी elementary canal और जो foot है ये आपका velum वाला position हो गया और आपका अभी भी slight है यहाँ पे हल्का सा, but ये आपकी क्या हो रही है, development हो रही है. ये आपकी क्या हो गई, this is your elementary canal. At this location, this shell is known as the exogastric. Every terminology has a meaning. Why it is exogastric? Gastric means something related with the elementary canal. Exo means outside, है ना? Then again, अभी यहाँ पे 180 degree rotation we cannot see, but we can see that elementary canal is growing up, right? Still, okay. This is your anus opening, है ना? This is your anus opening and this is your mouth opening. So mouth do not rotate because mouth already looks on the anterior position, है ना? So after that, when what we'll see, this anus portion up, what we are seeing, this 180 degree rotation, right? So in that 180 degree rotation, what occurs? ये now this your cavity becomes endogastric, है ना? Now the cavity become endogastric. Now this is your anus portion and this specifically your elementary canal becomes rotate and comes into your and comes at a 90 degree rotation, है ना? Suppose that this is any there is a wire, suppose that उसको जो 180 degree rotate करोगे, so there will be one position when the both wire will cross each other. Just understand like that only, whether it's a pipe, whether just consider elementary canal like a pipe. So this is your first 90 degree rotation, है ना? So यहाँ पे क्या है, अभी this is again your foot और velum, इसको आप continuously रखो. Actually of course ये भी आपकी grow हो रही है. This foot region are also growing, है ना? This foot region is also growing, so you can write like a that. ये आपका क्या हो गया, this is your foot region. ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, this is your first 90 degree rotation. You can even write like that, the first 90 degree rotation. ठीक है, anus is moving, mouth is stable, है ना. One end it's only moving, the second end is stable. Now in the third, this is your third, and next in the, यहाँ पे आपकी ये जो आपकी हो गई, यहाँ पे हो गई आपकी endogastric. The shell become endogastric. That means your alimentary canal become enlarged and it become endogastric shell. ठीक है. In your fourth, what happens? This 90-degree rotation यहीं पे we can draw, right? So this यहाँ पे आपका visceral pallium ऐसे proper आपकी अभी जो saucer shaped cell थी यहाँ पे, this is your saucer shaped cell. अब यहाँ पे ये क्या हो जा रही, एकदम ऐसा corners में आ रहा है. ठीक है. This has become your corner. This is your, अभी यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. ठीक है. अब आपकी suppose that this is your, और यहाँ पे ये रोटेट होके इसी साइड में आपका it is coming on the same end only, right? This is coming on the same end only. यहाँ पे आपका endogastric और ये आपकी again this is your of course enlarged है. Why we are not making that then? This is enlarged stomach area or the whatever. ठीक है. यहाँ पे आपकी क्या हो रही है, stomach canal, ये आपका anus portion और ये आपका mouth portion. It comes on the same end and of course food will be developing, है ना. So this process occurs in your torsion process. Okay. So if we want to write about it, what we can write? अभी तो हमने प्रोसेस समझ लिया. नाउ विल, ये आपका सेकंड डिग्री रोटेशन है. यस, जस्ट गिव मी 1 मिनट. दिस इज योर सेकंड 90-degree रोटेशन. दिस इज योर सेकंड 90-degree रोटेशन. ठीक है. अभी इफ यू वांट टू सी दैट, देन हाउ वी डिफाइन दिस. ओके. सो द टॉर्जन प्रोसेस अकर्स. So the torsion process occurs in the body cavity, in the body, in the larval stage, for the development of adult, for the development of adult. Okay. For the development of adult in gastropods, okay. So now we talk about the process. The body portion of mental cavity will go or undergo, better write it, undergo 180-degree rotation, 180-degree anti-clockwise rotation, okay, except the head and foot region, because that is not mouth वाला जो पोर्शन है और जो हेड वाला पोर्शन है वो एज इट इज है ना. Except your head and foot region. So when you are writing this point, you just need to underline the important portion also. That's like mental cavity or visceral hump. ठीक है. So the next point is how this 180-degree rotation occur. I have already explained the process, है ना. So we can simply write it down. Earlier larval has a before torsion, or you can simply write it down before torsion. When we talk about the symmetry, then from your platyhelminthes onwards, there's a bilateral symmetry, है ना. Like including human, there's a bilateral symmetry. But आपका जो molluscus है, the gastropod is one of that exception, है ना. But it's not exception that that adult has. Okay, before torsion, or better say, in the larval development, in the larva, there is a bilateral symmetry. There is a bilateral symmetry. Okay, but in adult, yes, you can write this point after changes after torsion. You can also write this point there also. But in adult or after torsion, symmetry will change. Symmetry will change. ठीक है. Now we talk about, there are so many things है ना. एक और आपका जैसे कि आप when you are writing before, so you can also write earlier or in the larva, in larva, straight alimentary canal, straight alimentary canal, while in adult coiled alimentary canal, while in adult coiled alimentary canal. Okay, so we have talked about the changes before and after. Okay, so the last thing what we'll talk about, how the 180-degree rotation, anti-clockwise rotation occurs. So when there is a larval phase है ना, so larval phase में क्या होता है, ठीक है, आपका जो first 80-degree rotation हो रहा है ना, so in that first 80-degree rotation, or you can say better anti-clockwise rotation, the first 90-degree rotation occurs through your ventral flexure. Ventral flexure. What does that mean? That means so जो जैसी larva has that, of course molluscas have nerve development. Yes, they have nerve development. So the first 90 degree जो आपका rotation होता है, उसकी जो signaling होती है, that comes through your nerves. Okay, in that nerves also go into that rotation है ना. अभी we will just talk about what are the changes after that. So जो आपका first 90-degree rotation होता है, तो आपके nerve को that larva get the signal from the nerve or the nervous system. Now you will have to convert into adult. So you need to start the torsion process. There are so many theories also. We will not talk about the theories. We will just talk about the concept only, है ना. So first 90-degree जो rotation होता है, वो आपका ventral flexure और आपका nerve के through आता है. Okay. So that alimentary canal which has the both different ends, वो आपका first 90-degree rotation show करती है. ठीक है. फिर जो आपका second 90-degree rotation आता है, second 90-degree rotation है, ठीक है. What occurs there? Suppose that if we want to see in this, okay, so in that location when we see कि ये आपका 90-degree rotation, so there are the irregular mass on the both side of the alimentary canal, right? So आपका second 90-degree जो rotation है, that occurs due to the irregular development. Second 90-degree rotation occurs due to or through, better write it, through or via, whatever you want to write, through the irregular development of masses of left and right side of the body, or you can say alimentary canal, left and right side of the body or alimentary canal okay. So the left side or one side, you can say left or right side, whatever you want to say, left side become enlarged or grow highly compared to your right side of the body mass, which create different pressures, right? Which create different pressures. So your second degree and help in further 90-degree rotation of alimentary canal. Right. So first 90-degree rotation occurs through your ventral flexure. That means that is related to your nerve. The larva gets signaling that now you are converting into adult. So the first 90-degree rotation occurs, while the second 90-degree is a mechanical process, you can also say, because due to the irregular development of the both sides of the body mass. Suppose that left side is highly developed, so that will create, suppose that this is your alimentary canal, है ना. So suppose that this portion is held up, so that will create a pressure on that alimentary canal in which further help in the rotation of the further 90 degree. So this is your then completely your 180-degree rotation occurs. Okay, so simple. Then you can write simply changes after the rotation, changes in the body. There are so many changes, है ना? Changes in the body. We can simply just talk about in the points after torsion. After torsion, what are the changes? सबसे पहले तो आपका क्या हो गया? Symmetry changed, right? Symmetry changed in body. Second आपका क्या हो गया? Mental cavity. Mental cavity become posterior. Become posterior, right? Then there is your looped alimentary canal. Looped alimentary canal. Then change in the relative portion. Change in the relative portion. Position. Portion और position. Portion मतलब body का. Position of gills or better say tenidium. Gills, tenidium, right? NS, nerve. NS, nerve. आपका एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है काइस्टोन्यूरी. What is that caestonury? Anyone can wants to talk about any caestonury? Simple related with the nerve. Just Google it and answer me in your comment section, है ना? So there are so many changes, right? So you can simply write changes in the body after torsion. If you are finishing your body part here, you can simply conclude with that significance of the torsion. What are the significances of torsion? That means it is better to adapt, है ना? In that changing environment. Or when the why? Because larval generally lives in your water body. They are generally free living, है ना? So they do not have well developed food. Their body is like a kind of visceral mass, है ना? It also help in the protection because due to the torsion process, when the adult body, like suppose that if you just want to relate that here, and then the first when they detect any kind of pressure, any kind of danger, what they do, they just do inside their head, they just cover up their head inside this cell, है ना? Because when the mouth and the anus portion is on the same side, है ना? ये आपका होता है. So they just easily invest their energy for their protection, है ना? Both same side है, important organ है, तो वो just उसको easily inside of that shell कर लेते हैं. फिर आपकी जो position है ना, this position of tenidia or gills, this is also okay. Tell me that there are so many locations of the gills. They can be anal fins also, but the best position of gill is near to your mouth, है ना? Because from where the food is entering. So tenidium की position earlier was there. You can see that here also. The earlier tenidium की position is towards your anus side. Look, you can see that this ये gills की position आपके anus side पे, जहाँ पे आपके anus कहाँ है, वहीं पे आपकी gills की position. So during that rotation, not only the gills with the help of the shell coiling, but also the position of tenidium become changed. Look, this is your mouth and this is your tenidium. Okay, so torsion process is completed here. Okay, detorsion process we will talk about if in the next slide if you want to, or we can just simply talk about in the next slide. Okay, thank you everyone.